So today I had the chance to just go all in on the iPhone 13 night mode. With the night mode, you get night mode with all three cameras, the wide angle, the I guess normal angle, and then the 3x zoom. So I compared each and every one of them to see if there's a difference. If you don't know what night mode is, it's basically the iPhone doing long exposure photography on the phone to bring in more light and make the picture usable or brighter, because usually with other cameras it's very hard to take pictures at night, especially with phone cameras. You start seeing a lot of artifacts and it just looks ugly. But with the iPhone, they did long exposure photography handheld. Usually, whenever you do long exposure photography, especially with the DSLR, what you do is you set like a desired time for how long the shutter should click. Usually, whenever you take a picture, it just click, pop, pop. That's you taking the picture. But with long exposure, it will click first, and then whatever duration that you want more light into the camera, it takes that long and then it clicks again and then you get your picture. The only problem with this process is that usually you can't do this handheld because any shake or jitter would mess up your picture. But the interesting thing that they did on the iPhone is that you can do this handheld. I've tried it multiple times. I've tried different things with it and it just looks so nice. Trying to take a long exposure picture just standing still, your hands are shaking and everything. But once you get the results, they look very nice. I mean, I'm coming from an Android perspective, so using this mode is very unique to me and I love it. It's actually more interesting now because it makes just taking pictures easier, or I would say it's not easier, but more, you have to get more creative with your shots. You're not worried about like, oh, how should I do this, this, that. It's more getting creative and knowing little things to make your shot a little bit more interesting. But let me stop rambling and these are some of the shots that I got. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below and thanks for watching.